Hi, and welcome to our room tour of the Drury Plaza Hotel, Disney Springs in Orlando, Florida. We stayed in a 2-queen bed deluxe room with a terrace. The room itself is medium size and can be a bit tight for older children and adults on longer stays. We stayed 9 nights and have 2 teens. Next time we stay here, we will book a suite instead. The room itself is laid out well with lots of storage, but there isn't a lot of space for strollers, cribs, or scooters. In this area, we put a fold-away bed, and it was tight and you could not walk around the fold-away bed. This space could also be used for strollers, cribs, or a scooter. There is only one nightstand between the beds, and it has 2 plugs and 2 USBs. The other side of the beds have no shelf or nightstand and no place to plug in your phone. The desk was a good place to work or eat a snack, and it has 2 plugs and 2 USBs. The kitchenette has 4 outlets and 2 USB plugs. The room itself has 2 chairs, the desk chair and this lounge chair with a table. The room includes a bench that can be used as a luggage rack, and it also has an additional luggage rack located in the wardrobe. The dresser has 3 drawers that are very deep, but it does not have enough room if there are 4 adult-sized people staying in the room. The kitchenette is a fantastic place to get your day going. It includes a beverage refrigerator, microwave, coffee pot, safe, and an additional sink to get ready at. There is also an ottoman located here, and in the open wardrobe there are hangers, the luggage rack, iron, and ironing board. We ended up using the space under the sink to store our shoes, which kept them out of the way. The bathroom itself was spacious and had enough room for all of our toiletries. The bathroom door is a barn door. Typically, we are not a big fan of barn doors to the bathroom, but this one provided a lot of privacy. The shower had plenty of water pressure, got warm quickly, and was a joy to use every morning. The shower had a shelf for toiletries and a step to shave our legs, plus a towel rack. Staying at the Drury includes a daily hot breakfast and a nightly happy hour, and bus transportation to the parks. We will have more details on all of this in our overnight experience video.